Here's a secret when it comes to wealthy people, okay? Wealthy people don't think in transactions, they think in systems. A broke person sees a 5K opportunity and asks himself, can I afford this? A wealthy person sees a 5K opportunity and he asks himself, does this fit into my system? This is the fundamental difference in psychology. Wealthy people don't make random financial decisions. They have a system, a framework, a model portfolio, a trust, a holding company, a generational wealth plan. Everything feeds into the system. Broke people make transaction-based decisions. Should I buy this stock? Should I buy this house? Should I buy this crypto coin? Random, disconnected choices. Meanwhile, wealthy people ask themselves, listen, does this fit into my capital allocation plan? My blueprint? Does it support the waterfall generational wealth strategy? Does it generate passive income? Will it gel with the system that I've already implemented? That's the difference between playing checkers and chess. The one oak is thinking 3 moves ahead and the other is just reacting to whatever is in front of them. Here's how you make the transition. You build a written financial system with an expert. You document your investment philosophy. You set your asset allocation rules, your financial goals, and you refer to it before every financial decision. Get into the habit of thinking in terms of systems and not transactions. Every single investment should support your overall wealth architecture. Now you got to automate your system. Automatic investments, automatic rebalancing, automatic wealth transferring. All of it is governed by the system and not your damn emotions. Now you review your system quarterly, but you don't change it based off of market noise. To be wealthy is to be patient. Wealthy people are patient. They trust their systems. Build the system, then let the system build the wealth. Be blessed.